Good morning students, I am your maths teacher. Today we are going to learn about division. So division symbol denoted by like this. So first I will start sums. So first sum 25 divide 2. 25 divide 2. This is divide symbol. So first one 25 is divided value. 25 is divided value. Then 2 is divisor. 2 is divisor. So first like this, right? 25 divide 2. 25 divide 2. So first I will select first number. So first number what? 2. So here divisor value 2, divided value also 2. So how many 2's are 2? So table 1 2's are 2, 2 2's are 4. So which one possible? So first one possible. 1 2's are 2. So 2 is divided value. So this one. Then next, this is divisor. So quotient value is 1. So right here 1. 1 2's are 2. Right here 2. Next, subtraction. So 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Next, I will write this number 5 downside. So 5. Next, here divisor value 2, dividend value 5. So here 1 2's are 2, 2 2's are 4, 3 2's are 6. But here dividend value are smallest number, here divided value are greatest number. So this one impossible. So this is possible. 2 2's are 4 is possible. Why? Here dividend value 5, here divided value 4. So smallest number is possible. So how many 2's are 4? 2 2's are 4. 2 2's are 4. This is dividend value right here. Divisor this one. Then quotient value 2. So 2 2's are 4. So next one subtraction. So 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. So this is quotient value. This is remainder value. So right here quotient value 12. Remainder value 1. So first sum finished. Second sum 32 divide 3. 32 divide 3. So 32 is dividend value. 32 is dividend value. 3 is divisor. 3 is divisor. So write like this 32 divide 3. 32 divide 3. So first I will select first number 3. So now 3 is dividend value. Here 3 is divisor value. So how many 3's are 3? 1 3's are 3. 1 3's are 3. So this one possible. So write quotient value 1. 1 3's are 3. This is quotient value. So write here downside 3. Next, subtraction. So 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Right here 0. Next, write 2 here downside. Next, here 2, here 3. Students, compare to these numbers. Here dividend value is smallest number, here divisor are greatest number. So this one impossible. So here put 0. Here also write 0, put point. Next, here 3 is divisor, 20 is divided value. So how many 3's are 20? 1 3's are 3, 2 3's are 6, 3 3's are 9, 4 3's are 12, 5 3's are 15, 6 3's are 18, 7 3's are 21. So but here 20, dividend value 20. So 21 is greatest number. This one impossible. So next 6 3's are 18. But here 20, here 18. So this one possible. So how many 3's are 18? 6 3's are 18. Here 6 is quotient value. So right here 6 3's are 18. 6 3's are 18. So now subtraction. 0 minus 8 is impossible. So take borrow. So here borrow value 1, remainder here 1. So 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. Next 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So here quotient value 10.6. Then remainder value 2. This is question. This is remainder. Then next, third sum, 45 divide 4. 45 divide 4. Here 45 is dividend value, 4 is divisor value. So write like this, 45 divide 4. So first I will select first number. So first number 4. So 4 is dividend value, here 4 is divisor. So how many 4s are 4? 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8. But here dividend value 4. So this one possible, 1 4s are 4. So here quotient value 1. So write here 1. 1 4s are 4. So write 4. Next, subtraction. So 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Right? See 0 here. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Next, write this number downside 5. But here dividend value 5, here divisor value 4. So how many 4? Here 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8. But here dividend value 5. So 8 is possible? No. So 4 is possible. 1 4s are 4. So write 1 4s are 4. So now subtraction, 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. So this is quotient value. This is remainder value. So write quotient value 11, remainder value 1. Next, fourth sum, 57 divide 5. 57 divide 5. So here 57 is dividend value. 57 is dividend value. 5 is divisor. 5 is divisor. So first one, 57 divide 5. So write like this. So first one, I will select first number 5. So how many 5s are 5? Here 5 is dividend value, here 5 is divisor. So right table, 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10. Here dividend value 5. So this one possible. 1 5s are 5. Here 1 is quotient value. So write here 1. So 1 5s are 5. So write here 5. 1 5s are 5. Next, subtraction. So 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. So write here 0. Next, write downside 7. So now 7 is dividend value, 5 is divisor. So but here 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10. 7 is smallest number, here 10 is greatest number. So this one impossible. So for next number 1 5s are 5. So this one also possible. So write 1 5s are 5. Next, subtraction. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. So here 11 is quotient value, 2 is remainder value. So write here quotient value 11, remainder value 2. Students, you will get this worksheet. I have given you some simple questions. So do it and send your answer. 3rd standard Maths NAPS groups between the time 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Okay students, see you in the next class. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.